Congratulations, you've just won a tax deed property at auction and you're ready to start your real estate journey. But hold on, before you rush into anything, there are some critical mistakes you need to avoid. In this video, I'm going to break down the top things not to do after winning a tax deed property. These mistakes could cost you thousands of dollars, and in the worst-case scenario, even result in losing your property. So stay tuned, take notes, and make sure you avoid these pitfalls. First mistake, ignoring the redemption period. Many people assume that winning the auction means they immediately own the property, but that's not always the case. What is the redemption period? In some states, previous owners have a period ranging from a few months to a couple of years to reclaim their property by paying back taxes and penalties. If you make improvements or start renovations too soon, you could lose all that investment if the owner redeems the property. How to avoid this mistake. Research state laws before bidding to know the redemption period. Wait before making major investments like renovations. Consider working with a title company to understand your legal position. Winning a tax deed property doesn't mean you got a great deal, especially if you haven't checked out the property properly. Risks of not inspecting, structural damage, foundation issues, or even an unlivable house. Unpaid municipal fines, code violations, or environmental hazards. The property could be occupied, leading to eviction battles. How to avoid this mistake. Visit the property ASAP to assess its condition. Check local records for violations, liens, or zoning issues. If occupied, consult legal experts before taking any action. If the property is vacant, securing it should be your first priority. Why? This is important. Squatters can take over and delay your ability to use or sell the property. Weather damage can worsen property conditions. Theft and vandalism can cost you thousands. How to avoid this mistake. Change the locks immediately and install security cameras if possible. Post no trespassing signs to deter squatters. Consider hiring a property manager if you don't live nearby. Many investors skip this step, but it's crucial if you want to sell or refinance your property smoothly. What is a quiet title action? A legal process to clear any remaining claims or liens on the property. Makes the title marketable, meaning it's clean for sale or financing. How to avoid this mistake. Work with a real estate attorney to file for a quiet title. Check title records before buying to see potential issues. If unsure, use title insurance to protect your investment. Many investors make the mistake of trying to sell immediately without having a plan. This can lead to losses or missed opportunities. Common mistakes. When selling, pricing too low due to urgency, not marketing properly to attract the right buyers, selling before adding value, e.g. basic repairs or landscaping. How to avoid this mistake. Evaluate whether renting or selling is the best option. Make low-cost improvements to boost property value. Market the property strategically on the right platforms. Winning a property doesn't mean your expenses are over. There are ongoing costs you need to prepare for. Potential hidden costs, property taxes, newly assessed values could be higher, HOA fees or city liens that weren't cleared, maintenance and repair costs for bringing the property up to standard. How to avoid this mistake. Calculate holding costs before you buy. Talk to a local tax professional to understand tax obligations. Budget for unexpected expenses before committing to renovations. The biggest mistake of all? Not learning from your first tax deed purchase. Why this matters. Every property is different, and each experience makes you a smarter investor. Skipping post-purchase analysis means repeating costly mistakes. How to improve. Keep detailed notes on what went well and what didn't. Join tax deed investing communities to learn from others. Continue researching strategies to refine your approach. And there you have it, the most critical mistakes to avoid after winning a tax deed property. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever made one of these mistakes, or do you have any tax deed investing questions? I'd love to hear from you.